This is James feeding T-Rex. We have to test it on our arm to make sure it's not too hot. And as you can see, he's quite the guts. Slowly push the food down. His eyes are open today, and he's looking around quite a lot more. And then we stop and we check his little belly. That's that yellow bit that you can see. Does he need a bit more?
He's pretty full.
Is he full?
A wee bit won't hurt.
And he's quite a handful. He's getting around quite a bit now. Oops, just move your thumb. There we go. Oh boy, is he still hungry. How is he looking?
Pretty good.
Okay, now you wipe your hands and I'll clean his bum. Clean him up. I'll hold him. So they won't get sick, we have to make sure all the food is off them. And then I've got to get around his mouth and clean all the food out of his mouth. And then to make sure he doesn't get an infection inside his mouth, I have to clean any food out of his beak, like that. Then we check his bum, and his bum's not too bad, so I'm going to put him back in the warm, and I'm going to do mine. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to test it to see if it's too hot. And it's just how Light Bullwinkle likes it. And he's a lot smaller, so I've got to hold him a bit different to James. I've got to grab him like that and keep his head firmly in my fingers, but not too hard. And then I'll put the food up and he gobbles it. Because he's got a smaller stomach, it doesn't take us long to, well, it takes a little bit longer actually to fill his. And if we don't have it at the right temperature, he will just stop eating altogether. I'll just test that. And it's gone a bit cold for him, so we put it back in the water, let it warm up a little bit. I know. Pretty hard trick to do one-handed, isn't it, James?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, Bullwinkle. And you can see he's very hungry. And you can see when he wants to eat, his little head will jump up and down, and he gobbles it. We'll have a look at his tummy, and you can see he's got some food in there, and he wants a little bit more. Oh, his eyes are going to open soon. I can just see the marks. Good boy, Bullwinkle. Oh, you're catching up to your brother. Now, the same thing that we did with the other one, I've got to clean him up so he doesn't get sick. Yes, we go through a lot of cotton buds here. I'll clean around his beak. Make sure he hasn't got any food left anywhere. And then inside his mouth. And you can see there was a little bit of food there. That gets rid of all of that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.